Think pothos is just one plain green plant? Think again. From neon bright leaves to marbled patterns worth hundreds of dollars, there are more than a dozen unique pothos varieties. And today, I'll show you the 10 most stunning types you can actually grow indoors. By the end of this video, you'll know which one is perfect for your home, and which rare one could be your next plant obsession. Pothos has been nicknamed the beginner's best friend, but it's not just for beginners. With so many different varieties, each with its own style and personality, there's truly a pothos for everyone. Let's dive in. Golden Pothos. The classic, heart-shaped green leaves splashed with golden yellow. Tough, forgiving, and the most common starter pothos. Marble Queen Pothos. White and green marbled leaves that look hand-painted. Needs a bit more light to keep that stunning contrast. Neon Pothos. Bright, almost glowing lime green leaves. Perfect for modern spaces and instantly adds color pop. Jade Pothos. Simple, solid green, but don't underestimate it. It thrives in low light better than almost any other variety. Satin/silver pothos. Not a true pothos, but often grouped with them. Velvety dark leaves with shimmering silver spots. Dramatic and elegant. Cebu Blue Pothos. Bluish-green narrow leaves that eventually split like a monstera when mature. A collector's favorite. Manjula Pothos. Large, heart-shaped leaves splashed with cream, green, and silver. Each leaf is unique. No two patterns are the same. Joy Pothos. Smaller leaves, crisp white edges, compact growth. Great for desks or shelves. Pearls and Jade Pothos. White and grey variegation with speckled details. A refined, elegant look, like jewelry in plant form. Glacier Pothos. Compact, small leaves with white and grey variegation. Perfect for tiny spaces or hanging baskets. And there you have it. 10 stunning pothos types you can actually grow indoors. From the beginner-friendly golden to the collector's Cebu Blue, these plants prove pothos is anything but boring. The best part? Most of them are just as easy to care for as the common golden pothos. Which variety was your favorite? Would you go for the bold neon, the elegant marble queen, or the rare Cebu Blue? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to see which one wins. And if you want more easy plant hacks and beginner-friendly care tips, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one.